no want a straight face round me. No one mag a straight face round me. Remember the dog them they and them bark very loudly. Me no want a straight face round me. First of all, certain boy we no heal a road. Them reputation steal a road. If you feel say you bad and cross my path a danger zone, something a spin like area code. Anyway me and my dogs them go as we walk in. We just roll our half and bill. No bag a strange face to my.
What did deal? According to sources, Dancehall DJ Busy Signal has pulled a crowd of 60,000 people in Gambia, Africa on December 11, 2010.
Jamaica love, we wanna feel Jamaica love. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica. Jamaica love, we wanna see Jamaica love. The one that represent the citizens of Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica. Represent where you're born.
What did deal? Dancehall King Beenie Man and Rihanna has made way onto the Xbox Kinect, which is a popular game dance for the Xbox 360.
Against wall, them marching, them calling, and the girls them sugar, that's all. Welcome the king of the dancehall. One bed on floor against wall.
Oh, yes, we're in the city of one, city of lights. Watch out to make the storm, the better think twice, think twice. I will be out so you must find
Xbox 360.
What did deal? Barrington Levy's Here I Come has been sampled again, but this time it was sampled by the Black Eyed Peas.
And the intercom Rosie tell me to come. So she didn't have a daughter, she did have a son. She said the lift doesn't work, run up the stairs and come. And if you don't come quick, you're not gonna know that's fun. So I grab a bunch of roses and I started to run. Here I come, whoa. 2 months later, she said, come and get your son. Cause I don't want your baby to come tie me down now because you are old and I am young.
What did deal? Buju Banton is set to perform in Miami, Florida on January 16 at Bayfront Park. Tickets are sold at www.bujulive.com.
Oh, now most of people be a human sacrifice. Stand up, defend your rights. Oh, mighty ways you can accomplish what you will. Stand up, defend your rights. In a day they destroyed what took 1,000 to build. Stand up, defend your rights. You may conquer our land, you'll never kill the will. Stand up, defend your rights.
What did deal? Halfpin is to release an album early this year. It is a follow-up to his 2008 album, No Stress Express.
Just be good to me. I'll be good to you. Just be good to me. No matter what they say, this your love not share. Can't come between. Investing my time and trust in you is all I wanna do. Believe me, girl. Won't be denied or rejected by cheap words or what you may have heard.
What did deal? One of Kiprich's latest singles, Over Her Shoulder, has gone international all the way to Russia.
Me not take, bat me up, no boy can't bat me up. Bat me up, no boy can't bat me up. Bat me up, no boy can't bat me up. Me not take. Me a look over me shoulder. How you think me no sober? Can't trick me, fit on me over. See the mama come and try to stop me, but me a breed it tinted Corolla. Over me shoulder, Father God got me cold. Them want hope no bed like Fola. See the mama come and try to stop me, but me a breed the boy in the pullover.
What did deal? Wayne Wonder is no longer with VP Records and is now working on new material. What did deal? Ladies saw has released her official iPhone application and it's free to download.
I got my own money, I got my own ride. My bills are paid, so I'm ready to try. A new attitude and a killer hairstyle. Let's party till December. I'm looking hot like the pussycat dolls. I'm about to put my back to the wall. Me heels them high, but me know me not fall. Party me a party, me not look no brawl. Makeup check, hairstyle check, manicure, pedicure, everything check.
What the deal? One of Dancehall's most successful group of all time, which is T.O.K, is promising a major comeback.
You know who this is?
Yeah, they know.
T.O.K. Featuring who? Maestro. Let's go. The girl you hotter. A girl a say she fat, but make she know say that you fatter. No man no want no girl where you live like no squatter. Her face chippy and the foot butter. Well, girl you water. Well, out a pretty girl and ugly girl she a the latter. A wink off a man and her eye full of matter. When she tuck in her belly, your belly still flatter. Yeah. Girl you hotter. Some a go on them, you are the real tapper. You have the Coca-Cola shape them over there, so favor ladder. War them a bring and nothing call you bada.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out the islandvibes.com for the latest music and news. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community and share your thoughts. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
Cock it up and the dump patch up. Turn round to your blood clot fuck. How you wine so you must can't fuck. Who can't fuck must stand up.
Set good like the ice in a freezer. What I put it tight, it a squeeze like a tweezer. Baby, I'll make the fuck more easier. If your pussy lucky me, we get back me visa.